there! In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage subscription products in WooCommerce using the Subscription Plans plugin. With this plugin, you can create both simple subscriptions and variable subscription plans. We'll cover everything from creating subscription products, setting up recurring billing, offering free trials and sign-up fees, multiple subscription plans, enable one-time purchase options, managing customer subscriptions. Let's get started. After activating the plugin, you will see a new subscriptions menu under WooCommerce. From here, you can manage subscriptions. And you can go to WooCommerce, Settings, Subscriptions. To configure the plugin settings, we'll review the settings later in this video, but first, let's create our first subscription product. Go to Products, Add New Product. For the example, we'll create a product called SEO Booster Pro. Add your product description and short description as usual. Add product image. Scroll down to the product data section and enable subscription. Next, enable one-time purchase. This option allows customers to make a single payment instead of subscribing. For our demo, we'll offer a lifetime license for $399. This gives customers the flexibility to choose between a recurring subscriptions and a permanent license. If you only need a single subscription plan, simply configure the subscription settings in this section. Or if you need to create variable plan, click on this and add plan. We do this later. Now, let's set the single subscription. Let's set the subscription price to $49 every year. Customers will be billed annually until they cancel their subscription. A sign-up fee is charged only once when the customer first subscribes. For this example, we will set it to $9. To encourage new customers, let's also offer a 7-day free trial. This allows customers to test the product before their first recurring payment is charged. These are the basic subscription settings. Now, let's publish the product and view it on the front end. On the product page, customers can choose between a subscription plan and a lifetime purchase option. You can change the name options, subscriptions, or purchase in the settings. Next, let's create a product with multiple subscription plans. Variable plans allow customers to choose between different subscription options while keeping everything within a single product. Once variable plans are enabled, the standard subscription settings above will be disabled. For the example, I will keep the one-time purchase option enabled. Let's create our first plan. We'll call it annual license. So it will be renewed every year. And stop until they cancel their subscriptions. Customers will pay $49 per year. We'll also include a 7-day free trial and a $5 sign-up fee. Click Add Plan to add one more. Next, let's create an agency license plan. It will also be renewed every year until they cancel the subscription. This plan costs $79 every year. We'll also offer a 7-day free trial and a $5 sign-up fee. Finally, let's create an enterprise license plan. It will also be renewed every year until they cancel the subscription. This plan costs $299 per year. We'll include a 7-day free trial and no sign-up fee. Once our plans have been configured, publish the product and open the product page. On the front end, customers can easily compare the available options. Each plan clearly displays the recurring price, billing cycle, free trial period, and sign-up fee. Let's select the agency license and add it to the cart. Notice that the subscription details are clearly displayed before checkout. Place order. Below the order details, customer can immediately view their subscription information, include the subscription status, next payment date, and billing cycle. Click on View button. Customers can also manage their subscriptions directly from their account page. Here they can review their subscription status, renewal schedule, payment method, and upcoming billing days. Customers also can renew subscriptions from page. Now let's switch to the admin side. Navigate to WooCommerce Subscriptions. Here you will find all subscriptions created by your customers. Let's open the subscription we just created. Inside the subscription details page, you can view important information such as order details, customer information, billing schedule, and subscription status. Administrators can also manually update subscription statuses whenever needed. You can also adjust renewal dates manually. This is especially useful when handling customer requests or correcting billing schedules. Every renewal order associated with a subscription is stored within the subscriptions record, making it easy to review payment history and recurring revenue activity. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the plugin settings. The settings are straightforward and easy to configure. We are on the General settings, allows you to control renewal behavior, subscription restrictions, billing schedules, payment retries, and other core subscription. The switching section controls how customers can move between subscription plans. Button text settings allow you to customize subscription-related labels and button text. Let's try to change it to lifetime license. Let's save and have a look. Here you can see the change. The notification section allows you to configure emails and alerts related to renewals, cancellations. This section contains settings for connecting subscription plans with PayPal recurring payments. Global plans allows you to create reusable subscription plans that can be applied across multiple products. The User Member section helps manage membership access. Update Prices provides tools for adjusting subscription pricing and managing pricing changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.